Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can rotate text in Canva. So let me show you. So here we are guys. So this is my Canva. I have blank Canva. So let me add one text here, sample text. Okay, so we have text here. This is my text box. So now if you want to rotate this, you can resize like this. You need to just hit that dot and hold it and just drag outside or inside, it will be change its size. Okay, now if you want to rotate, just select again, and here you can see this icon. Okay, you need to hold, click and hold it. Okay, and just rotate left side. Okay, like this is 90%, 90-degree rotation, so it is like horizontal. You can also rotate at your right side like this. Okay, this is also 90%, and you can rotate any direction like this. Once you done, just release that cursor. Okay, like this. And if you hold the shift key, it will be zoom, and you can also zoom at same time. Okay, and if you want to keep at normal again, just hold it and drag. Okay, until the 0 here. Okay, so it will be normal. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.